Ali, and again, YWAM. So I graduated from Fire and Fragrance YWAM, and I just came back like a few weeks ago, and I just want to share my testimony about that. Let's see. So before I share, I just want to thank you all for your support and your prayers. I just want to say that I'm very grateful for you guys financially supporting me, because I truly couldn't have gone without you guys sending me there. Okay.
Tulina no te nong thunget sang na no te nong pan pi na hangena to pan gwa zo nang pia hi chi ongen no masang.
So a verse that really stuck out to me during my DTS was 2 Timothy 1:7-9. It says, God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of love, power, and a sound mind, and that he has saved us and called us according to his purpose and grace. So,
Alai siang to tel pen Timote ni na Lian khat pan neu sagi pan kwa hi na bahang yam chi le pasian in eite lao na lungsim ong pia ai ke hi wang le na I na le e kiu zo na khaung pia zo hi toi chiang in to pa te chi pan na a hi zong in to pa thong ke pa a hi ke ma a hi zong zum ke in pasian ong piak awang le na bangina lungdam na thu to kizomena gim na thuak in gim na thuak in tua pasian in eite gamtan na hangilo ta lai huna ong tun mai na khazi jesu sunga eite adinga ama han chiam na le ong piak he pi na angai sut khol sa bangina eite ongum khia asiang to sam na to ong sam hi.
So when I first started this discipleship training school, I struggled a lot with fear.
Tua training tendan kapai mai na pen kalung sim sunga lao na to kidimi na obing chi.
Yeah, I had a fear of people, fear of sharing my faith and sharing the gospel. I also had fear of like not being enough for this or for Jesus.
Kalau na pen mi te to kimuding lao mi te khianga ke I na ka gen pula kha ding lao ina tora ina lao na to kidimi na kom hi.
But throughout this season, I had a huge close friend group that really helped me, and also God, having a closer relationship with God, taught me to step out in obedience and trust that he is the one who gives me strength, and I don't have to do this with my own strength.
And tora ina omina alom ten jong thunga sakena tora ina omina kahi tak chiang ina I to pa to ho pi na le hi lai song do mun te tung ton ina hang san na lao na teng vengina ka kal suan thei hi.
Yeah, so during lecture phase, we would do like multiple morning worship and also multiple intercession and like evangelism throughout the streets.
To Huai training ka sungina thunget na Thang thunget na izongina to ke cha na lam ge apai na mi te tonga gupian na thu nge thing ding na chi bang dan na to dan na ka ke sin to mu hi.
And through all of that, God taught me how to like live a lifestyle of a missionary and obedience and faith.
To tung ton na bang chi bang na gam yang na sep na missionary sep thing ding ai zong na mi te tonga bang chi gupian na thu gen thing ding ai zong na to tung ton na pil na tam pi ta ka ngai.
And then we went to outreach in Taiwan.
Taiwan gama gamyang sem ding na khathum tinan man ki chang na kapai hi.
And I was with a team of 11 girls, so we were an all-girls team.
Ko pen nu mai bek bek hi na nu mai som na khat pai na ko pen nu mai team Taiwan mission team ta hiu.
Yeah, so when I came to Taiwan, I had a huge culture shock because there was temples in every corner, every street. There was just Buddhism everywhere, idols everywhere. It was crazy.
Taiwan pen sen gam hi na to pen milimbia Buddhist gam hi ma bang to katun tak chang na kalung sima ong bang chi dia ong ling long sakina to en bang yam chi la mun khen to pai na khen to milim biang na vi ve hi Buddhist day temple vive biakin vive to dan ina muina toina kalungsim ong linglong sakhi.
Yeah, and through that, one of our contacts shared the culture history, that's how they lived, and like it's really hard for them to switch their faith into Christian faith. So I learned to be more relational, intentional with them. It's not about like switching them, like changing them directly. It's more about like getting close with them and being more intentional.
Tun chilina to dan ina lunghimoy na omina amaute pen to milim te tungton panina tom hau na izong na pil na izong na sumla pa izong na ngati na ding na han chamina omina to bangina amaute I angei na dan pen dam ina kana thei to ina to tungton ina pasien na sem na ko ki pan thei.
They also had like an honor shame culture where like they would shame their family if they like switched to a different religion, which is also a hard part of that culture. And also like the staff there that we met, they had many testimonies about how they like changed their faith from Buddhism to Christian.
To taka thumi por khat jong omina amau jong to dan ina milim biang na panina to pi ro biang na lu thing na di tam pi ta hak sana thokena to ran angei na teng anusiat zo ding hak sai na ai jong na to te tungton panina thumi por khat jong ki khel kin jong por khat omi.
Yes, so in Taiwan, we would do a lot of high school ministry, a lot of kids ministry, daycare ministry, homeless ministry, after school program ministry, and like a lot of like youth group ministry.
To Taiwan kom sumina lam ge ya to ran ina ministry pai to ki tak chiang ina sang te ga ministry pai naw pang te bang ji kep na ding che jong ministry pai to ki chiang na in le lo nei lo te khang jong pai ina to dan na
But one of the biggest highlights was when after we finished evangelizing in the streets, we were kind of tired, so we decided to go back home. So we had a train ride home. And in one of our evangelism nights, we decided to like go home after 2 hours because it was hard to share the gospel because people would reject us a lot. So we had a lot of rejections during evangelism.
Lungdam na tu gen ding phal lo ina to bang ina omina to bang hun khot tak chang na khatwe tak chang na ko bang magen thei lo ina kat cha hun jong omi.
And during that train ride, we decided to like talk to this one little girl, or one, not a little girl, but a one like young girl. She was like on the train ride alone with her headphones on, and she was like just like just sitting, looking lonely, and we decided to talk to her.
Khatwe to ran ina meileng tung pan ina katuan lai takuna to taka khang no nu mai khat ama pen ya abil pana la kho ngai na omina ama kia lung jong kho ngai na om amut kamu tak chang ina to nu kyanga vanai peina kana hopi.
Yeah, we felt like God was highlighting her to us, and she told us like, we came to her with a compliment like, oh, we love your outfit, and like we just want to like get to know you, like, and she was like, oh yeah, like I'm here, like she was just coming home from work, and we just told her like what we were here for, like visiting.
To kakibu chile na ama to kakinai thei ding na o na pon se hui sia le chi na to ran na hopi na phat kom sai na hopi pin to panina I ama jong pen na sem na pan achi a hi na to ran na lungleng tak om lai takina gumna thu na gen theyung.
And she started opening up to us because she decided, like she felt like she needed to tell us like her issue, her problem, which is like her relationship and how stressed she is at work, like how she like feels like she has no like no purpose in life, and we felt like she needed prayer, so like we prayed for her.
To lai takina ama zong alung sim sunga ahak san nating gim nating na sep nai zong ina to te ama kizop pi na lom na wal te to I zong na to bang ina bang chidia I ama la khat ama le ma lung leng ina to bang ina lung kham sin kham ina omi chi so aman ong gen khia ina ong pulak khia to tak chiang na ko zong thu vanget sak theu.
And then we decided to share the gospel to her and did the 5-finger gospel, which is a baptism, it's called, which is sacrifice, creation, resurrection, assurance, and new life. Yep.
To pan na mau finger ministry chi na to finger ministry tung to ni na gup hian na thu kana gen theu.
And after we said that, we were asking her questions like, do you want to know more? Like, do you want to like accept Jesus as her savior? And she like said yes. So that was amazing.
Tua bangina dongina to tak chiang ina I gumna tu gen ki tak chiang ina nang to pai su hon prai gom pai na sang dingina na sang thei ding yam cha do tak chiang na to panina to nu na pen ka sang ma hi chi na to panina to pa to lungdam ko ina thu ka nget sak hi.
And like so after that we gave her an acceptance of Jesus prayer.
And to panina amau jesu san na tung to ni na ko zong thu nget sak ina to to ni na to nu pen alam dam takina jesu nong sang hi chi khut beng sak ni ne.
And she was like overflowed with happiness that she cried and was happy.
To thu nget sak tak ama sung panina lungdam na to kidim ina khitui khong luang ina ong kap ina to panina thu nget sak ina to pan ama zong lung kim sai na ki khen theung chi.
Yeah, and her name was Cindy, so she was like a sweet little girl.
Ama min pen Sydney hi na ama pen ai hoi ma nong ang no khat hi.
Yeah, so that was like one of our salvations, and we only had like 2 salvations, so that was like really amazing to see that.
To pen alam dang niat pasian ina sem na gup hian na tung to lu tung ton panina to pa na sem na mu hi chi.
And it's like through that, it really gave me strength to like not be fearful of like coming to people, going to people, and sharing the gospel. So that really like throughout all my DTS, I just learned to not be fearful and just have strength through God.
To tung ton ni na kalung sim sunga dana ama sai na I li na lao na kidim om at sele to panina pasian na sem na kamu tak chiang ina mai mi te mu ding ai zo mi te tunga gup hian na tu gen ding ai zo na lam dung tinga pasian tu gen ding ai zo na lao na pe makanei non kia hang san na to pan gwan hi.
Yes. So Lungdam.
Lungdam ma mai.
Yes. Thank you.
Kole Cingcing. Cing khut ben na dang wak sak kole.
Hello. Tuni, I have something to share. Next month, Gapen medical mission trip up Biding. And I first heard of this through some of my at school, like the admissions office team. I was first invited through a Dean's Circle event, which were especially invited for top students, outstanding students, recognized by the College of Pharmacy. And I connected with one of the donors over there at the school that provides and supports the College of Pharmacy. And I shared one of my passions for my future, which is serving in my profession, pharmacy. But not only that, but going out into underdeveloped countries and communities that don't have resources or access to basic health care, like medications or just physical checkups that people in the US can get very easily.
Dana tati khan ma sa pen YP na katanu Lian pen u hin mo hi pen Cingcing pen ani na thei chian nin mate ama pen pol le na nungku mina hi taka o ya boy ngai to chang pol le na OSU a pharmacy school ka hi na tun kum khat na zo khin ta mate to pai thung na ong dong na tun pen tua sang khak sung ina mai kha July kha kal tom na panina hi lấy tung bụp chỉ đâm na cái pol na outreach global health
Global Health Outreach.
global health outreach แต่ตรงต้นนี่นะที่ข้างล้ำที่นี่นะ South America ล้ำตัวล้ำมิชชันไปดิ้งนะตัวป้าบางเจนตัวป้าโซลนะตัวกิจุยนะตัวแต่ sign up ก็หิมันนี่นะตัวตรงต้นนี่นะตัวมันคัดองเสียนัวไม่
Yes, so I'll be going to a small city called Sigua de Pegue, which is 2 hours away from the capital in Honduras. And there I'll be with a team of 40 other medical workers. They are medical doctors, dental workers, physician assistant.
ตัวไปนาดิ้งเป็นด้านagain มาสักกำขังตู้ไหนลูแต่เขียงที่นะไอ้กอลกำด้านมากำจองแต่เขียงตัวด้านนี้นะอีจินาลูนาเตตุงอีทุพาบอดิ้งไปดิ้งใกล้มันนะตัวกับไปในตุงกำเป็นคนดูราศีนะคบปีปันนะในนี่บางนะมอโตโตกี่ไปลาฮีจี
And there we will be serving the community there that doesn't have access to government health care. So we'll be just doing physical checkups.
เป็นหูนะตัวกลุ่มพิเตเขียงปันนะหูนาจงงะโจโลเตเขียงตัวเตเขียงก็จะตุยเปโกมินะจินาเตตุงจินาเตเวลินะตัวมุนะจงดังปันเชียวเวนสมของจงกี่เฮลินะตัวมุนะตัวจินาเตเวดิ้งไปดิ้งหิ้ง
And I would like to also share a Bible verse that will resonate with me throughout this medical mission trip, which is Luke 10:9. It is, heal the sick who are there and tell them that the kingdom of God has come over near to you. This mission trip is also partnered up with the local church over there in Honduras. The name is called Emmanuel Baptist Church, and their senior pastor over there is Melvin Romero.
ตัวไปนาดิ้งปอลปีเตเป็นEmmanuel Baptist Church ปอลปีนัดวิภูมิปอลปีมาเห็นนัดตัวตาซีเนียร์พาสต้าป้าเป็นPastor Romero ชี้ขัดหินะตัวเห็น Bible verse ตัวดิ้งอาเตลูเป็นลูกอาเลียนสอมอันเอวกว่าจีนาเตนดำสกุลปัสเซียนกำโนเตเขียงองนายโจฮีจีนทูนหิลอุนตัวติงชินเจก็เลยคุณบรรณาโตหัวมังอีโมอินะตาเตตัวปันทุพางเปียงสกินะไว้ปีเตอร์มิสินไปองเจ้าเทตุนจริงๆต้องมิสินไปดิ้งฮิไลมันทุกเงินนางพงสกุลละตัวนี้นะไอเตเซปเทบอลเทบังมาอมโลไอจงนะทุกเงินนาตัวไอจงนะอีปันปีโจจะสุมไปขัดแบงนี่ตัวไอจงนะมาอีปันนาเตตัวปันอากามุสกินะตัวนี้นะไว้ปีตุงต้นขมังทั้งอมุสักให้มันนักวิทยาปัสนาปีนาพัดหังฮาเลลูยามากูกันเรียนเกียร์อันแนวสอมทุกแล้วกุกสุงะมีขัดเปลืองเลยตุ้มแค่ตัวอลอดเพียรส่งนี่นะอาคารนุ่นต่างนะสุบหล่อและบังพัดตัวนะอมดิ้งยามจีฮาเลลูยาตัวนี้อุตเตนเอาเตอีเซปดิ้งอีบอลดิ้งเลยตุ้งตองไว้นุ่นต่างสุงินะฮีเลยตุ้งนาเตฮีมาสโลวินะตัวนี้นะอีเซปดิ้งเป็นขมังทั้งเวดีอย่างฮาเลลูยาขมังทั้งจนดิ้งไปอีกนะสับดิ้งเฮียงตัวมันนะตัวนี้นะตัวขมังทั้งจนนะหมายละมาอีตูตาเตยจงนะตัวปานะเสพนาจินาเตตัวดำนาจงจินาเตตัวเวนายจงนะขมังทั้งเตจงอินขมังทั้งเตมานาตัวปานะอินควันสุงอีปอร์บิสุงะตัวนะเสพนาขันโตนั้นอมทินะทักินะตัวปานทักินทุพางเปียกสักตาเฮตะลุงดำไม่เลย